Okay, what are you boys doing?
Making pizza.
Okay. Very good, Gabriel. Okay, do it real slow. Real slow. Sebastian. Okay, do you think you're done with the sauce? What comes next?
Pepperoni.
No.
Cheese.
Okay, who's ready for the cheese?
Me.
Okay. Move your sauce out of the way. We're not going to do first. Here, Gabriel.
What do you do?
Okay. Show them what you do, Sebastian. Sprinkle it on. Go ahead. Sprinkle it all over the pizza. You're doing a good job, Gabriel. Spread it out. Spread it all. There you go. Very good. Who's eating their cheese? Okay.
I love the cheese.
Okay. Time for the pepperoni. What are you doing? You're supposed to put it on the pizza. You're doing a good job, Gabriel. Let me see. Lift up your pizza.
It tastes good.
Silly.
I'm making it like that, okay?
Okay, how's your pizza coming, Gabe?
I'm making it like that.
Very good. You can make it however you want to make it.
And mine? No, you can put one on top too. That looks funny. Mommy, can you make me a little away someday, Bill?
Why?
Because I don't like sitting on this island anymore.
Why are we having a meltdown? Good job, Gabriel.
I'm moving away from you.
Hello?
Yay! I'm not sitting in this one. Don't look for green. I did!
Okay, say bye.